National Affairs ISRO OPPO India collaborates to strengthen the R&D of NAVLC messaging service. An agreement has been inked between the Indian Space Research Organization, जिसको हम लोग ISRO इसरो भी बोलते हैं, and the Chinese smart device maker oppose Indian arm to strengthen the research and development R&D of the NAVLC messaging service and Indian satellite navigation system. NAVLC, an acronym for Navigation with Indian Constellation, aims to provide user-friendly platform. What is in the agreement? First, as a part of pact, OPPO India will support ISRO with its R&D capabilities to provide a seamless experience to the users of the NAVLC application. There will be an exchange of tactical information between ISRO and OPPO. Second है OPPO will also use NAVLC messaging service in its future mobile handsets sold in India. Third है this agreement will also enable both entities for future collaborations to develop indigenous solution. What is NAVLC? It is the regional geopositioning system designed in India by ISRO to provide accurate PNT position, navigation and timing of the Indian mainland and an area up to 1500 km beyond the Indian mainland. It is equivalent to American GPS Global Positioning System, Russia's GLONASS and Galileo developed by Europe. NAVLC is also capable of broadcasting short message and safety of live alerts in areas with poor no communication, particularly in the oceans. Also, NAVLC is powered by dual frequency S and L bands, while GPS is dependent only on L band, making it more accurate than GPS. Point to be noted, OPPO's phones currently have GPS and video global positioning service. Second, currently Xiaomi is the only company to have used the NAVLC on its phones. It collaborated with ISRO for the same in 2020. Third, the Redmi Note 9 series and the Redmi Note 10 Lite also support NAVLC navigations. About Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, headquarters Bangalore, Karnataka. Chairman Kailasa Vadivo Sivan.